Lightweight and extremely durable, Iron Eagle styles are made for the toughest work conditions and are available in a variety of styles and 3 distinctive color options: gold, green, and blue. Polyurethane-coated nylon offers 100% waterproof protection that's resistant to fats, oils, tars, gasoline, grease, and a variety of other chemicals, including sanitizing solutions. The 2mm exterior coating offers unbelievable snag and abrasion resistance and is easy to decontaminate. A Stormfly front seals out wind, rain, and contaminants, while heavy-duty snaps are guaranteed not to fail. Sealed seams are incredibly strong and can withstand extensive laundering. Batwing sleeves and a generous cut give wearers maximum freedom of movement. Jacket styles include hooded or hood snap options with a universal hood sold separately, or in gold or green jackets with an elastic inner cuff for added protection. The Iron Eagle is also available in plain front overalls in 3 colors with an additional gold or green style featuring lockout tag-out straps and knee patches for added durability or the insertion of a knee pad. The Iron Eagle, only from Tingley.